Hey guys, I want to show you a smoke machine that I got for Evap systems. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a professional smoke machine because I don't use it all that often. So I went on eBay and I bought this smoke machine for maybe, I want to say $75. It's been a while, I can't remember exactly when, but I'll show you the smoke machine. And what we're going to do today is we're going to smoke this 2003 Dodge Ram for Evap leak. And I also want to check it for an exhaust leak as well. I think there's a leak close to the header where I can't see, so the smoke machine will help me alleviate that and see where it is. So I'm going to take you along. I'm going to show you the smoke machine. I'm going to show you where I set it up and go from there. All right, so here's the smoke machine. It's made by Smoke Tech, Evap smoke machine. So you hook up your air compressor hose here, and it's got a little ball valve. Which you can open up as much as you want or as little as you want just to get your amount of smoke that you need. It's really nice. This thing's really nicely made. There's a wick inside here. I'll open it up and show you, but there's a wick inside here that runs through. And then when you put it on the positive and negative, it makes the oil smoke inside. So, all right, so I did have one issue when I got this, which was the battery terminal jaws. I replaced them because they were so small. They just didn't grab well. So I picked these up on Amazon and just wired them in. No big deal. So, but I want to show you, I mean, it comes with a pretty decent cord for the battery cable. I want to say it's around 10 feet or so. So it works for any car that you're working on. You can also hook it up to a battery that's on the ground or whatever too. You know, and here's the smoke nozzle. So you put that into either the hose, your Evap hoses, or if you want to put it in the exhaust, you just stick a rag around it and push it in and go from there. So I'm gonna get this thing open just so you guys can look inside, and then I'm gonna get it hooked up to the truck and we'll get going. All right, so I got it opened. One thing I used was baby oil. I would use mineral oil if I did it again. Once I refill this, I could dump it out and just do mineral oil. But there's a wick inside. Pretty easy setup. But the reason I bought this one is because it was aluminum. It's nicely made, so it'll last a long time. So, all right, let's get this in the truck and see what's happening. All right, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a lot of smoke coming out there. Sorry for the noise. You do need an air compressor for this. I'm going to stick it in the pipe and go from there. All right, it doesn't get any simpler than this. Just using a little battery. All right, let's see what we got. All right, so we found one leak right here, about halfway down. If you haven't checked out these flashlights by Larry, they're pretty cool. Really bright. I think they're like 170 lumens. Yeah, so there's one hole. We'll have to weld that up. Looks like it's a new weld, so we'll sandblast that and weld it. Let's check out the rest of it. I don't know if you can see that, but found a mouse nest up in there. I'll have to get rid of that. Looks like I got some body work to do too. As you can see, looks like there's only one hole. It's giving off quite a noise for that one little hole, so I was surprised to see that. Nothing else. So yeah, so that's it. It's pretty easy to smoke. And for the cost of that smoke machine, I mean, it's worth it. It's very easy to control, and you can see exactly what you're looking for, so that you're able to repair what you need to. So if you're interested in a smoke machine, like I said, I got mine on eBay, but I want to get you guys an inside look. Thanks for watching, and time to patch that exhaust.